Welcome to your ultimate guide to the 12 best foods for building muscle and boosting strength. Whether you're hitting the gym hard or just starting your fitness journey, what you eat is just as important as your workout routine. Today, we'll break down the top foods that deliver the protein, healthy fats, and nutrients your body needs to repair, grow, and thrive. Let's get started. Food 1. Chicken breast. At number 1, we have chicken breast, the undisputed king of lean protein. A 100-gram serving packs about 30 grams of protein with minimal fat, making it ideal for muscle repair and growth. Chicken is rich in essential amino acids like leucine, which directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. Grill it, bake it, or shred it into salads. Its versatility makes it a gym-goer's staple. Pro tip: season with herbs and spices instead of heavy sauces to keep it healthy. Food 2. EGGS. Next up, eggs. These nutritional powerhouses are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. While egg whites are pure protein, don't skip the yolk. It's loaded with healthy fats, vitamin B12, and choline, which supports nerve function and energy metabolism. Studies show that eating whole eggs post-workout can enhance muscle recovery better than egg whites alone. Scramble them, boil them, or make an omelet with veggies for a muscle-friendly meal. Food 3. Greek yogurt. Number 3. Greek yogurt. This creamy snack is a casein protein superstar. Casein digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles for hours, perfect before bed or between meals. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt offers 20 grams of protein and probiotics for gut health. Mix in blueberries for antioxidants, or a spoonful of almond butter for extra healthy fats. Food 4. Salmon. Don't overlook salmon at number 4. This fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation caused by intense workouts and speed up recovery. A 150-gram fillet delivers 35 grams of protein and a hefty dose of vitamin D, crucial for bone strength and immune function. Wild-caught salmon is best, but canned salmon is a budget-friendly alternative. Try it grilled with lemon or tossed into a salad. Food 5. Lean beef. At number 5, lean beef. Beyond its high-quality protein, beef is one of the best sources of heme iron, which your body absorbs more efficiently than plant-based iron. Iron transports oxygen to your muscles, boosting endurance during workouts. Beef also contains creatine, a compound proven to increase strength and power during weightlifting. Opt for 90% lean ground beef or cuts like sirloin to keep saturated fat in check. Food 6. Cottage cheese. Number 6. Cottage cheese. This underrated dairy product is packed with casein protein, 24 grams per cup. Its slow digestion makes it ideal for preventing muscle breakdown overnight. Cottage cheese is also high in calcium, which supports muscle contractions and bone density. For a tasty twist, add pineapple chunks for natural sweetness or sprinkle with chia seeds for extra fiber. Food 7. Almonds. Snack smarter with almonds at number 7. A handful provides 6 grams of plant-based protein, along with vitamin E, magnesium, and monounsaturated fats. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense training. Almonds are calorie-dense, making them great for bulking. Pair them with a piece of fruit for a balanced snack, or blend almond butter into your post-workout smoothie. Food 8. Quinoa. Number 8. Quinoa. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cooked cup has 8 grams of protein and twice the fiber of brown rice, keeping you full and energized. Its complex carbs replenish glycogen stores after workouts, while magnesium supports muscle relaxation and recovery. Use quinoa as a base for protein bowls or mix it into soups for a nutrient boost. Food 9. Turkey. At number 9, turkey. This lean meat rivals chicken with 25 grams of protein per 100 grams and fewer calories. It's also rich in B vitamins like niacin and B6, which help convert food into usable energy. Skip processed deli turkey, which is high in sodium, and roast your own turkey breast instead. Slice it for sandwiches, add it to stir-fries, or dice it into omelets. Food 10. Whey protein. Number 10. Whey protein. While whole foods should come first, whey protein is unmatched for convenience. Derived from milk, it's quickly absorbed, making it perfect for post-workout recovery. Research shows whey stimulates muscle growth more effectively than other proteins due to its high leucine content. Mix a scoop into oatmeal, blend it into a shake with almond milk, or bake it into protein pancakes. Food 11. Lentils. Plant-based athletes, meat lentils at number 11. One cooked cup packs 18 grams of protein, 15 grams of fiber, and a third of your daily iron needs. Lentils are also rich in folate, which aids red blood cell production for better oxygen flow to muscles. They're incredibly versatile. Use them in veggie burgers, curries, or as a meat substitute in tacos. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers to enhance iron absorption. Food 12. Sweet potatoes. Finally, sweet potatoes at number 12. Their complex carbs refuel glycogen stores, while beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, supports immune health critical when training hard. A medium sweet potato has 4 grams of fiber and 25% of your daily potassium needs, which helps prevent muscle cramps. Roast them, mash them, or slice them into fries for a post-workout carb source. Bonus tips: to maximize these foods, spread your protein intake evenly across meals. Aim for 20 to 40 grams every 3 to 4 hours. Pair carbs with protein post-workout to spike insulin, driving nutrients into muscles. Hydrate well. Dehydration can impair strength and recovery. And don't forget, sleep. Muscles grow during rest, not just in the gym. Conclusion: there you have it. 12 science-backed foods to fuel muscle growth and strength. Start incorporating them into your meals. Stay consistent with training and track your progress. Remember, building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for listening. Now go eat, lift, and conquer your goals.